For our next destination, let us travel all the way to central Luzon, from the vast green plains and rice fields to the hills and mountains, explore the hidden wonders well worth visiting. Welcome to the province of Tarlac. Tarlac is the most multicultural of the central Luzon provinces, boasting enormous plantations and diverse local cuisines, festivals and indigenous people, historical places, and religious activities. The province's love for religion and Christmas dubbed it as the home of BELENISMO sa Tarlac, an annual event of life-size, fully illuminated Belen displays which takes place every Christmas season. This art of making Belen became very famous as it showcases the unique talents, creativity, and faith of Tarlaceños. Apart from the modern tradition of the province is the vanishing spiritual traditions of the artists of Capas Tarlac. Their cultural identity and indigenous healing methods that help the locals in the province are fading because of continuous emergence of developmental projects that affect their homes. This is a reminder for all tourists that we still have our indigenous artists in the province and they need to be preserved. Boasting local attractions and fun activities, Tarlac is surely one big sandbox of fun adventure, from trekking, river rafting, kayaking, to train biking. One will surely get that adrenaline rush going.